China's rich history of over 5,000 years has been shrouded in mystery from the West. Because while for centuries China was the undisputed leader in human achievement in areas of arts and sciences, only a fraction of their vast wisdom was passed to the outside world. Many Western texts only credit a scant few of the various innovations the early Chinese first brought to humanity, and how such innovations, such as Chinese gunpowder, impacted the destiny of us all. The fact is, however, that many so-called innovations of the West were in reality already in practice behind the Great Wall many centuries earlier. As in the case of movable type, Johannes Gutenberg is usually credited with this invention in Europe in 1450. In actuality, movable type had already been in use in China for some 300 years. Besides language, culture, and the Great Wall as barriers, a fourth factor in the 1950s further inhibited the exchange of information between East and West: the Iron Curtain. Not only did communism inhibit the flow of Chinese wisdom to the West, but oftentimes, in cases where old wisdom was hidden within texts associated with ancient religions, communism unwisely sought to vanquish such knowledge from existence. In the 1970s, the government of China began to change. Its communist government saw opportunities for wealth through increases in international trade, both in products and information. Also, at this time, many saw China's Cultural Revolution as a flop, which served only to strip its own people of their rich and wonderful heritage. They vowed to reverse its impact. Over the past few decades, a strong desire by scholars with new techniques in the fields of archaeology and linguistics sought to uncover the secrets of China's past. Now, coupled with a burgeoning new market of some 137 million and growing Chinese internet users, the old wisdoms of the past have been rediscovered and newly translated for the betterment of all humanity. Enter Feng Shui, the science and art of peacefully living with all of nature, based on ancient observations of the physical world and summations often gathered from Taoist philosophies. Feng Shui builds on over 5,000 years of human experience in the area of human interaction with the world around, both seen and unseen. Feng Shui, like noodles, guns, gunpowder, fireworks, silk, scissors, paper, movable type, the abacus, compasses, water clocks, odometers, seismometers, chain-driven machines, and boat rudders, to name just a few, is but only one in the long list of innovations brought to the world by the early Chinese. Where would we be now in relationship to electricity if not for Benjamin Franklin's use of the Chinese kite? We do not know. Likewise, in today's world of air-conditioned houses, cars, stores, offices, and factories, how could we properly enjoy a hot summer's day without the Chinese invention of ice cream? Today, there are many schools of Feng Shui teachings available to the world, some strictly practical observations and applications a practitioner may put to use to harmonize themselves with the world around them, while others delve deeply into the ancient mystical teachings to surmise applications for positively interacting with powerful forces unseen but believed to be all around us. There is no doubt to the validity of Feng Shui's wisdom. Since its discovery in the West, Feng Shui's success has earned it the place of a household term. True, for some it is little more than a popular fad that due to misinformation will pass in and out of their lives with as little lasting benefit as a bowl of Neapolitan ice cream under the hot summer sun. But for others who seek to truly better their lives and the lives of those around them, Feng Shui offers a time-tested cure. For those of you struggling for peace within your households, places of work, or throughout your life in general, or for those of you who are blessed with the time and ability to gain wisdom above what is merely necessary to simply eke out a subsistence life, let's heed the warning of Benjamin Franklin, who said, "Life's tragedy is that we get old too soon and wise too late." Let us today gather the wisdom of Feng Shui's 5,000 years of experience and apply its cures.